What if your smartphone could transform into the ultimate tool for creating stunning videos, capturing life's best moments, and even handling live streams with pro-level precision? Meet the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, the best smartphone gimbal of 2025. Sleek, compact, and packed with cutting-edge features, this all-in-one device is your gateway to effortless content creation. The Flow 2 Pro is the definition of convenience. It folds down to fit right in your pocket, ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. No extra gear, no complicated setup, just mount your phone, unfold, and let the Flow 2 Pro take care of the rest. With 3-axis stabilization, your footage stays silky smooth every time, whether you're running, biking, or simply walking through the city. No more shaky shots or missed moments. The Flow 2 Pro is the first and only gimbal to feature Apple's latest subject tracking technology, making it perfect for everything from action-packed sports games to heartfelt family reunions. With Deep Track 4.0, the Flow 2 Pro keeps your subject locked in, even if they move out of frame momentarily. And it's not just for people. Whether it's your energetic dog, a flying frisbee, or your toddler's first steps, this gimbal tracks it all with unmatched precision. The Flow 2 Pro isn't just a gimbal, it's an all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Want to capture hands-free? Set it down with the sturdier built-in tripod. Need a creative angle? Whip out the built-in selfie stick for high, low, or wide shots. And here's the game changer. With 360-degree pan tracking, you're free to move as you please. No end stops, no boundaries, just seamless motion for cinematic shots. iPhone users? This one's for you. The Flow 2 Pro integrates seamlessly with your iPhone's native camera app, allowing you to capture content with features like Apple ProRes for crystal clear footage and cinematic mode for that professional touch. Switch effortlessly between camera modes and focus on telling your story. No extra apps needed. Worried about battery life? Don't be. With 10 hours of battery life, the Flow 2 Pro keeps up from dawn till dusk. And for those unexpected moments when your phone's running low, simply plug it into the gimbal and charge on the go. It's like having a power bank in your pocket. Say goodbye to running back and forth to press the shutter button. With intuitive gesture controls, just raise your hand to start or stop recording. And if you're looking to take things further, control the Flow 2 Pro remotely from your Apple Watch or a second smartphone. Perfect for solo creators or group shoots. Unleash your creativity with the Insta360 app. Powered by AI, it makes editing a breeze. Features like Flash Cut automatically stitch together your best clips on beat to music, so you can focus on the fun part, capturing memories. All this packed into a device priced at just $160. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines what a smartphone gimbal can do. From next-gen tracking and hands-free shooting to pro-level video tools, it's the ultimate companion for creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to elevate their smartphone footage. So, what do you think of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro? Is it the ultimate smartphone gimbal for creators in 2025? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, tips, and tricks for creators.